Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to automate workflows in Smartsheet. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up a sheet and then go to the top left, click on automation and just create from scratch, because creating from a template will make you scratch your head. Okay, create from scratch. And then here, just like the automation platforms like Zapier, Make.com, Pipedream, something like that, works the same in here. Okay, just go ahead and give it a name. For example, maybe this automation is for sending emails. Sending emails, like so. And then in here, in the trigger, or whenever an event happens, this one is a trigger, okay? Any field, a comment, a product ID, click a value, maybe this ID right here. And the run workflow, make sure that it is set to when triggered, or hourly. It could be daily, weekly. I'd like to set this one to when triggered. Now you can go ahead and add any condition. All right. So for example, where, select the field, product ID, we're going to use the same, is one of, or click on the drop down, is equal to maybe 1111. Okay. Add another condition. For example, if the price is blank. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and move forward. In here says select an action. It could be alert someone. Okay. Click on it. Alert someone, send to specific people, or send to all. Or you can go ahead and send to Slack, send to Microsoft Teams, and some of that options. Okay. Then you can go ahead and customize the message. In here, maybe subject, product problem, or product issue. Now, in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and tick on message only. But if you want to, you can go ahead and follow these instructions at the top. Okay. If you want to link sheets and all fields and sheets and specify or specific fields. Okay. Message only. I'm going to name it hi. So the problem is maybe this product doesn't have a product name. All right. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and hit on save. If not, you can also go ahead and add in more events. Okay. Or maybe between conditions and alerts, you can go ahead and add in some more, add an action, or add in more conditions. And once that's done, just hit on save. And after that, just wait for the trigger event to happen. This is the automation name. The trigger, when rows are added or changed, and when product ID changes to 111. Actions, alert someone, recipients, which is me. And if you want to go ahead and edit it, you can just go ahead and easily click on edit right here. And if you want to delete it, click on three dots, hit on delete, deactivate, run row, or test now. Trigger actions on whole workflow. And that is it. You can now go ahead and check your email and you should receive an alert that shows the message that you have added. This one, hi, this product doesn't have a product name. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.